Hi, I'm Gabby. On behalf of our Kosan USA family, thank you for your purchase of Pure Hydration. If, during installation, you discover that your faucet is not compatible with the enclosed diverter valve, don't worry. We have a couple of installation options, and we are very good at helping you find the one that is a perfect fit. The first is installing your Pure Hydration under the counter with our simple conversion kit. This does require a hole for the faucet. Many customers simply take out their soap dispenser and use that spot for installation. This option also frees up counter space. Another option is the refrigerator connection kit. If you have a counter space next to the fridge, you can simply tap into the cold water supply to the refrigerator and share with Pure Hydration. This installation is very inexpensive and a favorite of our apartment customers. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Just call us or email us. We also have convenient installation videos on our website.